Bitcoin falls under key support line. Mt. Gox to release 140K Bitcoins on December the 15th. And altcoins are all in the red. These are things that we will discuss on Max Crypto News. Hey, Grand Rising family, how y'all doing? I want to thank you for tuning in to this episode of Max Crypto News, where we talk about these intangible coins at all times, family. How y'all doing this morning? It's a red day in the market, a red day, family, and we're gonna jump right into it, family. But listen, thumb up the video, like the video, hit that subscribe button. Go to my YouTube page, Bittrex, and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Hit that notification bell, and most of all, leave a comment. Let me know what you think about the content, family. Also, if you're interested in taking my advanced crypto class, look, email me at maxcryptonews@gmail.com. Again, if you're interested in taking my advanced crypto class, email me at maxcryptonews@gmail.com, right? Now we're gonna jump right into this, family. Also, all of my partners that's a part of the class, they feeling good this morning, right? Because they got a warning yesterday. They got a heads up of what was gonna go on. I gave them a heads up around 5:30 p.m. and it actually started going down around the same time, family. So just to let y'all know, I gave them a heads up and they was able to prepare for this to happen before it happened, right? So let me refresh my screen. So we can see right now the market cap is down to $538 billion. You got Bitcoin at $18,300. It's recovering a little bit. That's a good sign, but we still looking not too good. Ethereum, $563.88. Got XRP at 54 cents. Litecoin at $76.70. Chainlink at $12.17. Cardano at 13 cents. Just popped up to 14 cents. You got Polkadot $4.83. Binance Coin at $27.92. And Stellar at 15 cents. Just moved up to 15 cents. So we're in a little bit of a correction, family, right? So let's go straight to the chart. We're gonna go to Bitcoin, right? So all right, family. So let's jump. We're gonna jump right in. Let me change this to the weekly chart, 1 hour. All right. So we're gonna jump right in, family. All right. So the support line was right here. This right here was our support line, and we got under the support line, family. So 18,600 was our support line. This is the hour. So we dipped all the way down to $17,860, right? Now, yesterday I said that on the way down, we had a support of here, $18,000, $1,009. We actually broke that support line and we got here to 17.6. So we got, I'm gonna draw it right now. I'm gonna put it up here right now, right? So we got another support line right here. Got some support here, and we got some more support here. I'm gonna draw the lines. I'm gonna put them up here. right? And we got some more support here. Now, this support here at $16,194 is a critical support line, family. That's a very critical support line. I hope, man, I hope we don't get here. That's very critical that we don't get to that support line. It would be good if we can reverse and this right here continue to be our support line, wherein we don't go no lower than this. But I don't know. Bitcoin is consolidating, family. You know, I say it's best to go and get the consolidation over with. Let's go and get this correction, get it over with. Because you can see we really look like we're about to form a W. You know, we came down, we come up, and we coming back down. Now we don't want to test this line, but if we do, this is a very critical support line. But that would be a W if we come down to this support line and go back up. That would be what we would call a W. I'll call it a W, a little extended W. But it seems like, you know, we may be making that W, depending on how far. It would be good if we stay and bounce off this line for the rest of the day. Because then we will start going back on the uptrend. 17,000, 17.5. I mean, I could draw one here, say around here. This I'm gonna draw it. Shit, I'm gonna just put it up here. This right here could be another area of support. So we have some areas of support to go down. But this is the critical mass. Because in this cycle, this is the lowest we got. This is very critical that hopefully we don't. But we got other areas of support that we should get to. Because the first time it hit this support line, it bounced up, but then it finally broke it. And with these support lines, you can't keep testing them. It's just like anything in life, man. If you got some support, and you know, the more you keep depending on that support and depending on that support, eventually that support line gonna break. Like, yo, I done supported you all I can help. You know, you done fell back on me enough times where I can't help you now. You're gonna go down to, and what happened with this first support line of the 18. Well, it really was 18.6. Yeah, this right here, 18.6 was really the first support line, and I said that we didn't need to get under this one, 18,100, but we did, right? But right now we're above that. That's good. But you know, this first support line, I knew we couldn't sustain, keep hitting it, right? But now this is what we need. We need to bounce off this to resume going back up, probably to get back over this. We want to, but I don't know. It's looking like it may come down a little bit more, family. That's all. I don't want to sit here and say it is or it isn't, but it looks like it's a good possibility. The RSI, we under the RSI. But the last time we was under it, we bounced. We have seen let's get to the one. Let's check out the 1 hour, the 5-minute chart. Right. Let's see a little bit. 5 minute, let you see. I don't know, family. See right here. We got a bullish cross. This was a bearish cross. when we fail, we got a bullish cross right here. And right now it don't look like we caught up. So, you know, it's looking all right. This on the 5-minute chart, you know, but we need to get back over here. See, this is where we need to get back over on the 5-minute chart. We need to get back over here. This is what we need to do. We need to get back up above this range right here. And I don't know, we'll see. We'll see, family. All right, so a little bit of news that's going on. Let me kind of like help things out a little bit. All right, this is part of the reason Mt. Gox is about to release 140,000 Bitcoin BTC. They're about to be released for the first time. If y'all don't know about Mt. Gox in like 2014, they went dark, they went offline, and they took with them like 180 BTC when they went dark. So a lot of people lost their Bitcoins. Now what's going on is they went to court and now they have retrieved at least 140,000 of them Bitcoin. So now they have to send these Bitcoins back out to these people. They have to give them their Bitcoins back. Now, mind you, back in 2012 to 14, Bitcoin might have been $2,000 a Bitcoin, if that much. Now Bitcoin is around $17,000, $18,000 a Bitcoin. So that's the amount of money it's about to release is $2.6 billion in Bitcoin out into the market. And we don't know what these people are going to do when they receive these Bitcoins. We don't know if they're going to holler them. We don't know if they're going to keep them, if they're going to sell them, if they're going to put them on the market. Like, we don't know the financial situation of these people that's about to receive these Bitcoins. We don't know when Mt. Gox went dark, you don't know if people lost everything, houses, if they had all their investments. So you can have people with 50 to 60 Bitcoins, and you don't know the situation that it put them in when Mt. Gox went dark. You don't know if it messed their lives up, they lost houses. You don't know what financial situation these people have been in since 2012, 13, into now. You know, that's almost 8-9 years. So we don't know the effect of what Mt. Gox done to these actual folks who were the ones who had their Bitcoins in there. And now they about to get a big payday. Like, if you had 10 Bitcoins, if you had $10,000 or $20,000 into Bitcoin back then, you know, you may have 10, 15 Bitcoin. Now you about to get that same 10, 15 Bitcoin, you're looking at $180,000. So it's a lot of uncertainty with what they are going to do when they receive these Bitcoins. And this is why we're having a bearish alert, because the market really don't know. Also, the market needed to correct. So don't get it twisted. The market needed to correct anyway. But remember, in my class, we talked about the 3 C's, you know, common sense, current events, calculations. Y'all gonna remember them 3 C's: common sense, current events, calculations, right? We put all this into play, and this has helped us have an idea what the market's gonna do, right? So this is something that is going on right now that is, I think, part of the reason why this is going on. It says that Bitcoin may see a fresh bearish signal in the coming days as the Mt. Gox saga entered to its final and possible expensive phase, right? So that's a lot of Bitcoin that they're going to be releasing out to the public, man. Right? So, you know, when Bitcoin go down, the children goes down as well, right? So we can look at Ethereum, the Ethereum chart. Ethereum, hold up. So yeah, see, there for the hourly, Ethereum looking good. It got down to 500. Dang, I wish I would have been up. I would have got me some eat. Got down to 530. 536. But you can see it's already catching up with these moving averages. The 15-day, it done caught up with the 15-day, and now the 34-day moving average. It's done caught up. So Ethereum looking. Let me get to the 5 minute. Ethereum is actually bouncing real good right now. Yeah, Ethereum really. It's a bullish cross, and Ethereum has already caught up to this moving average that I was talking about with Bitcoin, where I said Bitcoin needed to catch up to the moving average and move above. Ethereum already has caught up with it, and already where it closed above it, it's coming down, but it needs to stay above this moving average. So Ethereum is actually responding good. You know, it's a little bit oversold on the RSI, but other than that, that's a good sign. For the hourly sign for Ethereum, that's real good. Let's look at the 30 minute. I usually don't even look at 30 minutes, but I'm gonna look at it. Yeah, the 30 minute, but it's still a bearish cross, but you see this red and blue getting closer to each other. The closer they get, it'll be a switch, and it'll turn into a bullish cross. It still need to catch up with that moving average though on a 30-minute chart. For the 1 hour, yeah, it's getting closer though. Even the 1 hour still need to catch up to this moving average, but it's still looking good. Ethereum actually is bouncing back real good. So let's go to XRP. We'll start off at the 5-minute chart. You know, XRP about to have this half in 3 days. You know, I can delete these now. I have to make some more. This all out of that. It ain't. It's irrelevant now. So XRP, well, it got a bullish cross too. It got down to 50 cents. Bullish cross. It's still moving. Recover 4 cents. You know, it would be good if it can get back up to these highs that it was around yesterday. You know, so we'll see. But it's recovering kind of good. So let's go to the 30-minute chart. Yeah, it's recovering. But you still want this blue and the red to cross, turning into a bullish cross. Then it has to get back to this moving average. So we'll see how it goes. Get to the 1 hour. 1 hour. It's recovered. Still need to get over this. It's getting close. Need to get over this moving average. But it probably ain't gonna get it until it get at least to 55 cents according to this. Right. So it's trying to fight back, you know. So we just gotta wait and see, family. Again, family, look, like the video, thumb up the video, subscribe to Max Crypto News, go to BitMax on YouTube, and you can subscribe to the channel, family. One more thing I want y'all to see. This is a video. This is a bit of good news, right? So we got some good news, and I want to let me hold up. Let me stop sharing. I want to give y'all some good news because you know right now all we're seeing is it look like the market may be going down. So I do want to give people some good news because it ain't all bad, family. You gotta understand when you dealing with this crypto and when you dealing with this market, and you look at the history of this market, right? The history of this market will let you see that stuff like this happens all the time, and it's not, and it's like it's not uncommon, right? Hold on, it's not uncommon for stuff like this to happen, right? So that's what I wanted y'all to see, that it's not uncommon, right? But also, let me share my screen. I want y'all to see that my students got an email from me yesterday, and I told them of the upcoming, let me do it like this. Well, y'all just probably won't get to see this. It's all good. Let me share my screen. But I sent an email out to everybody that's a part of the class yesterday around 5:30. And I told them what to expect, what I was seeing. And just right after I told them and I sent it to them, like an hour later, it started happening. So I know that they heeded the information. But I'm gonna play this real fast, and hold on, let me make sure the volume's set up. All right, it's set up. A little glimmer of good hope. So we'll play this and then we'll end the show.
I hear a lot, and have looked myself at how it works on the Cash App, buying Bitcoin. What have you discovered in terms of the take-up rate here?
Yeah, thanks, Kelly. It was very interesting. We hosted a survey looking at consumer adoption this time of crypto in general on the Square and PayPal platforms. I can run through the summary with you, but in general, you can see there's a lot of pent-up and active demand for crypto for both these companies.
So your takeaway would be that the stocks have run up tremendously, both because of the pandemic, but also because of their exposure to Bitcoin. And you think that they still could have quite a tailwind from that?
Look, we think that there's upside to both stocks. Is it crypto related? Perhaps. The companies Square historically has the mind share and the customer base in crypto. They adopted it 3 or 4 years ago, and they have a lot of revenue from it, though at a thin margin. Now, PayPal really just announced their crypto initiatives in the last 4 to 6 weeks. There are differences in the initiatives of the two companies, but right now Square has the more economics from crypto than PayPal. PayPal's more on the come, but there are differences like I described.
What would you say is the most important finding for investors?
Well, I would say the surprising, all right, let me just run through some of the things you might find more intuitive. So about 13% of those that we surveyed indicated that they have used the Square Cash App to purchase Bitcoin. The interesting thing is, though, that 22% of those surveyed indicate that they have now seen or heard of the PayPal initiative in crypto. 39% of those surveyed say they think more favorably of PayPal now that it's offering crypto functionality. And this is in terms of the differences in the strategies. 53% of those that we surveyed indicate that they would like to use crypto if they own crypto.
Right.
Checkout. So what's that about? You can fund your PayPal account with your credit card, with your debit card, or with your checking account. This would be an additional funding source, so you could actually buy and sell stuff, goods and services at checkout with your crypto assets, if that makes sense.
It does, and I think what you're saying is that not only has access to crypto been an important part of what users are already looking for, but the numbers are small enough that it could grow significantly from here. As high as Bitcoin is now, you can think about maybe a whole new field of people getting involved and maybe doing it this way. James
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CN.
All right, family. Yeah. So basically, when you start seeing this stuff on the news like this, where crypto is starting to get mainstream again, and it's getting bullish, and it just goes to what I've been telling y'all, that the top investors on these hedge funds, people, banks, and these Fortune 500 companies are really paying attention to Bitcoin, and they're going to infuse money into Bitcoin, family. So You know, we need this correction. This is a healthy correction, family. Also, listen, if you are interested in taking my advanced crypto class, email me at maxcryptonews@gmail.com. It's a $99 fee. You get signed up, you will get access to all the videos. You will get access to all the videos, and I will give you a free constellation with me, one-on-one, to see where you at. Once we find out where you at, we will get started from there, and we will move. Like, I will show you. Let me show y'all something. All right, this is the video I sent out to them yesterday. Right here, this is the one. I sent this out to all the students yesterday around 4:30, and I mean 5:30. And this video actually done everything, man. Showed them everything they needed to see, and it put them in a situation wherein they weren't panicking. And that's the whole purpose of what my class is for. And so you're not to panic when things like this happen. So you have somebody that's steady, you have a game plan, so you don't make irrational decisions and you don't lose out on money. That's the main purpose, is you don't want to lose out on your investment. You want to kind of like save it before, because nobody like taking losses. We all want gains. And that's what this class is for. So if you're in crypto, man, you want to take this class, family. That's all I can tell you. You want to take it. With that being said, man, y'all enjoy the rest of y'all day. Like the video, subscribe to the page, man. Once I reach 50 subscribers, I'm gonna give away some free altcoin. I don't know which one I'm gonna give away yet, but as I get closer, I'm gonna start. I pick one, and I'm just give some free coins away to somebody, a lucky winner, right? So with that being said, man, y'all enjoy the rest of y'all day. Peace. I look forward to seeing y'all a little bit later. Peace.